This is Nick with Bill Brothers Roofing. Started my inspection at 2327 Rosal Lane. Out here in Spring Valley, we're on top of an architectural asphalt shingle roof. This is a composition shingle roof. Roof looks to be in pretty good shape right now. There is some granule loss. You can see how shiny this section of the roof is. So essentially what's happening right here is the oils on this asphalt shingle material have started to evaporate. And as those oils start to evaporate, the granules start to deplete. They roll off the roof every time it rains. And at that point, the waterproofing begins to be affected. Now this granule loss isn't super significant, but it is showing us that the roof is, on the second half of its life expectancy. The rest of the roof looks to be in pretty good shape. Seem to be staggered properly, 6-inch staggered throughout. The corners are coming up a little bit, but nothing too crazy. So I really don't see any issues with this roof. The penetrations look to be sealed off properly as well. We've got it looks like we've got some vents that are no longer being used. They went ahead and just stuffed those. So we can go ahead and cover those up. That can be something that the homeowner takes care of. But you can see that the majority of the sealant around the penetrations is still in good shape. We got a lot of debris on this roof. It'd be a good idea to clear the debris off of it, especially right here in the valleys. We want that water to flow freely off the valley. But a lot of times what happens is when debris accumulates like this, as it rains, that water gets caught in the valley, it sits. The acidity of the decaying leaves ends up deteriorating the product itself, the roofing product itself, and will accelerate the aging process of the roof. So it'd be a good idea to get that cleared off. But as far as everything else goes, I see no real issues with this roof. Everything looks to be in pretty good shape. And the roof probably has another, I'd say another 8 to 10 years left on it. That's it for my inspection.